And yeah, I mean, I think these are the I that show. I mean, Special Ops. I don't know whether you have watched it or not.
I have. No, 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 no.
Hey, KK
You
Menon,
can't do
KK
that.
Menon.
No, no, no,
I
no,
नहीं मैं केके मेनन उसमें
no.
केके मेनन ही नो अरे फैंटास्टिक वाइव्स ऑफ द फेबुलस वाइव्स ऑफ द लाइव्स ऑफ द बॉलीवुड कहाँ गया वो स्पेशल मेंशन
No. No, anyway. Hi everyone, welcome to our video. And then we first of all would like to wish you a very happy new year. We really hope
yeah
that this year is no, this year is a lot better, and we are hopeful
and
for a better
hopeful
year. Yes. So
yeah
today
yeah
we'll be discussing about the Indian web series content that came out in the year 2020, and we'll also be discussing about our favorite shows, our top performances of the
some
show.
of the performances
Yeah.
yeah
Okay, so Manthan, to start with, let's
yes
start by ranking our favorite TV series, Indian TV series.
shows yes
So yes, so would you like to start? Like, what is that show that's on your number? That's on the
see
fifth rank.
very tough because again I
I
mean
mean, there are a lot of
a lot
shows
of shows
this year. Yes.
yeah a lot of shows and a lot of good shows in fact we would come to the special mentions also,
Yeah.
Sajib. So okay, without I mean much ado, we'll start off with number five. My number five would be Arya.
Okay. I mean, I liked Arya.
The
I really liked
yeah,
Arya.
Shushmita Sen's Arya. Um I I would admit that it was not a flawless show. It was
Hmm.
definitely not a flawless show, but I liked it because it was pretty engrossing,
I
and
mean, I
it
like the
was
show. I like Shushmita's performance as well in the show. And
definitely,
somehow it's
and
my top five.
yeah, that's okay. That's okay. That's fine. I would appreciate your top fives also, but again, I mean, apart from Shushmita Sen's performance, I found the support cast to be terrific. I
Hmm.
mean, we will talk about the performance of the actors also. So yes, I mean,
Okay.
Arya would be my number five. It was engrossing, it was gripping, and it was propelled by some brilliant performances.
My number five,
Yours?
I think my number five would be Afsos. I,
Ah, अफसोस
I,
अफसोस मैंने ये मिस कर दिया.
I really like Afsos. I thought the writing
No,
could,
even I liked it.
yeah, writing could have been a bit better in some parts, but
But
otherwise,
it was different.
yeah, it was very different. The concept was new. It was different. It
It
was
was
portrayed in
different.
a very new way. I mean, we have always, we
Yes.
have had some shows and also movies that deals with the so-called thing of immortality.
Yeah, I mean, yes.
Yeah, but then
Yeah,
Afsos
the, the
in
take
such a way,
the take was different.
the take
Definitely.
was different. The writing was different. I mean, it was kind
Yeah.
of refreshing. It could have been a bit
Yes.
better in some parts, I believe,
Mm.
but then for me, it's my number five. So anyway, what's your number four then?
Right. My number four would be Bandish Bandits.
Okay. I know you really like
See,
that show.
yeah, I tell you one thing. When the series or the show released, uh, I mean, I spoke to you about it when, in fact, we spoke to each
Yeah.
other when the trailer was just launched or released, and we were a bit skeptical about it. I
I
mean,
was
honestly speaking,
yeah,
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 you
yeah.
you were तो मतलब तुमने तो कहा था कि यार ये क्या आ गया है मतलब
Uh,
and honestly I was also like अरे क्या आ गया है
what
यार
is it?
Amazon Prime
Uh,
क्या लगा दिया है मतलब one fine night I was sitting and I thought चलो एक बार let's give it a try. The strength of the show was its music,
hmm,
of course. Shankar Ehsaan Loy, I mean,
hmm.
they just killed it. The actors also, I mean, obviously, I mean, you have the legends out there. I mean, Nasuddin Shah and the legendary actors like Atul Kulkarni, Shiba Chadda.
Hmm.
But
And
yes, I mean, the
ah,
newcomers,
Ritvik and Shreya.
ah,
Those were
Ritik and Shreya, I mean, they were also
they're
good. I mean,
really good.
they were fine.
And
Yeah, yeah.
for the fourth one, I think it will be Asur. I really like the writing. I really like the concept. I mean,
Yeah,
it could
yeah,
have
yeah.
been better. I mean,
Absolutely.
it could have been the
Okay, so
best show in 2020, according to me, if
hmm,
if it had been implemented well, right?
yeah,
I
yeah,
don't
I
think
agree. I agree.
the production was
I
not.
agree.
Yeah, so I think Asur
Absolutely.
was top class. I mean, Asur, the actors were amazing, the writers were amazing. It was
Yeah,
written in a way
yeah,
that it
yeah,
was
yeah, yeah.
very new and
No
very
doubt.
gripping. Yeah, it was very gripping. I
Yeah.
liked it a lot, but
Because
yeah,
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 because Asur is your number four,
yeah.
right?
Hmm.
Yeah. Because again, I mean, we shouldn't waste. I mean, I shouldn't waste your time.
Ah,
So Asur is my number three. In fact,
okay, okay, okay.
yeah, yeah.
Great. So,
So yeah, I mean, whatever you said about Asur, I totally agree. I mean, the concept was mind blowing.
hmm,
But again, the production, yes, I mean,
ah,
you feel that, yeah, Sajib. I mean, these concepts, when these type of concepts, when they come out of India, and you feel that lack of production. I mean, you feel that
ah. If,
अगर साला
but
production अच्छा हो जाता ना.
it would have been like far better, or maybe it
हाँ,
would have been like
far,
the best show
far.
of 2020 according to me.
Absolutely,
But
totally agree,
yeah,
totally
really good.
agree.
So it's on my third. So it's my
Yeah,
fourth. Sorry,
your fourth, yeah,
and this
yeah,
is
and
your
my
third.
third,
Okay.
my third.
So my
Asur
third,
is my third.
my third will be, I think, Panchayat.
Yeah.
Panchayat was it was like very light, like
Panchayat
comedy
was
drama. Yeah,
lovely,
that's
lovely.
comedy drama is the kind. It's my favorite genre. And it's
Absolutely.
very light.
Yeah, yeah. I
The
know that.
actors are
I know that.
amazing. The actors is
Yeah.
Panchayat in your list?
Yeah. Again, I mean, Panchayat is my number two.
Okay, okay. So,
So
what do you like about Panchayat?
I, to be again, I mean, to be very honest, I like everything about Panchayat.
Hmm.
Still, it's not my number one. I mean, it's strange, but I loved everything about Panchayat. I mean, and I guess it came out at the very beginning of the
Uh,
lockdown.
at a time where you
And
needed such a light thing to.
yeah,
Hmm.
at a time, exactly at a time when it was, I mean, the world was hopeless.
And very
The world
gloomy,
was in
hopeless.
agony.
Yeah.
Yeah. And when this show came out, again, I didn't expect anything. I mean, to be very honest, I didn't expect anything from this show. I didn't even see the trailer.
Hmm.
I straight away, we just me and my wife, we just sat and we started off with that show. It was lovely.
It was lovely. Yes.
It was lovely. It was a beautiful show.
I heard season 2
I
is
mean,
also coming, so we should
I
look
mean,
forward to season 2.
you can't
Also,
be more
2 thumbs
excited.
up to Mr. Anurag Saikia for the amazing music.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Again, exquisite music.
Hmm.
Exquisite music. Yeah, and
Panchayat is your number 2.
Panchayat is my number two. Panchayat is my number two, and it was
Wow.
I loved it. I loved it.
Even me. But my number 2
Yeah,
would be, the most talked about show of the year, Scam 1992.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
My number 2. I mean, I believe Scam would be your number 1 then.
कुछ लोग गालियां भी देंगे, कुछ लोग सोचेंगे कि ये ऐसे ही उसने डिप्लोमेटिक होके कर दिया ये वाला रेटिंग. But again, after a lot of thinking, Sajib, your number two is Scam. My number one is Scam,
Hmm.
the Harshad Mehta, Scam 92, the Harshad Mehta story.
And also, do you remember when we talked to the writers of the Scam?
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
They were telling us, fun anecdotes from the story and how,
yeah.
Mr. Hansal Mehta, gave them
The
the
entire team, yeah,
yeah, and they built up the entire team
yeah,
and also gave them the chance to
yeah.
be creative, gave them the
Absolutely,
liberty to
absolutely.
do whatever they liked.
And you remember the they said the writers Karan and
Uh,
Sumit and
sort of.
Saurav and unfortunately,
Vaibhav couldn't join.
Webber missed out, but they were saying कि 550 pages का वो script था.
Script, huh?
And see, again, I mean, Scam, it has been,
No
it's been,
complaints.
yeah,
No complaints. It was written
absolutely,
explicitly. The
terrifically,
scene building was amazing between characters,
absolutely,
and we also talked
absolutely.
about few of the scenes that we liked.
Yeah,
If,
yeah, yeah.
if you want to
They
go,
were unforgettable, I
if you
think.
want to go and have a look, please go to the visit our
Go to our podcast. Yeah,
podcast,
viewers,
the Scam
go to
Writers.
our podcast.
It's a fun
Yeah,
podcast. I'm pretty sure that you'll love it.
yeah. And yes,
The biggest revelation out of Scam was Pradeep Gandhi and Shreya Dhanvantari.
no doubt,
What's up again?
no doubt,
Yeah,
no doubt, no doubt.
My then number one would be Patal Lok.
So पाताल लोक again, I mean, because कुछ लोग सोच रहे होंगे ना, साला पाताल लोक नहीं दिया इसने मंथन ने. हाँ, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, मतलब 1 में स्कैम डाल दिया.
I was also wondering, where is
top 5 में. हाँ. See, again, I mean, your number one is Patal Lok. I mean, but after a lot of thinking, मतलब इसमें कोई diplomacy नहीं है सजिब, but मैं seriously I couldn't differentiate between मतलब ये वो number one हो या number two हो. मैं
Patal Lok
personally
is number one as well.
So Patal Lok and Scam are tied number one.
अच्छा.
So मैं seriously मैं नहीं कर पाया, मतलब personally I couldn't figure out
Patal
any.
Lok for me was like hands down the best show of 2020, or maybe the best, one of the best shows that I have ever seen.
Because of its originality.
Amazing.
I mean, क्या लिखा था यार?
Writing was like brilliant.
क्या लिखा था मतलब?
Also supported so well by the acting crew. I mean the actors and their capability to portray such emotions. It is so real, so real.
Absolutely. मतलब एक चीज अगर मुझे ऐसे पूछा जाए कि मतलब स्कैम और पाताल लोक क्यों मतलब नंबर 1 में आपने टाई कर दिया, तो आई विल से कि पाताल लोक फॉर इट्स ओरिजिनलिटी, फॉर इट्स obviously for its writing, Scam because of its portrayal. The portrayal.
Let's take some of the top performances. Let's talk about some of the top performances.
बहुत थे यार सजीब. I mean this year it was flooded with fantastic performances. I mean, starting from Afsos. I mean, because you mentioned Afsos.
Gulshan Deveya.
Yeah.
Not only Gulshan Deveya, but Gulshan Deveya, Hiba Shah.
Everyone. Hiba Shah, everyone. Because you mentioned Afsos, मेरे को ऐसा लगा कि यार हाँ इतने छोटे-छोटे भी shows थे. I would like to mention certain shows which are not in our top 5. Because हम लोग मतलब top 5 कर रहे थे, वो top 5 पे नहीं थे. So I was thinking of Andekhi. I was thinking of Simple Murder. So I mean, when you talk about Andekhi was, I mean, the two actors, one is Surya Sharma and the other one is Divyendu Bhattacharya. They slayed. He's an iconic artist. But what made me happy in this show was he got his due credit. That artist Divyendu. He's such a fantastic artist, but वही है ना कि मतलब वो credit नहीं मिलता है. But this show Andekhi, it was fantastic. I mean, Divyendu.
But we also have to talk about Mirzapur too. It was not in your list.
Of course. I mean, see, Mirzapur too. So I was talking about Andekhi. मतलब मैं इसलिए मतलब why I am talking about these two shows, because these two shows are not being talked about much. Simple Murder हो गया या Andekhi हो गया, or even Afsos. I mean, these shows are not being talked about much. Mirzapur, obviously. I mean, Mirzapur, Patal Lok, Scam, even.
I like Mirzapur season 1 a lot. I watched season 2. I mean, it was very good. But then somehow I did not feel that it should be in my top 5, because I would not want to like go back and watch it again. But these 5,
same here.
But a special mention to Mirzapur 2 because of the amazing franchise of Mirzapur.
You can't ignore. I mean, वही चीज है ना. You can't ignore Mirzapur. हाँ. And but you know, Devyendu, I loved him in Mirzapur 2
Hmm.
much more than Mirzapur 1.
His character was. I mean,
हाँ, और
he also
उसने
opportunity for his character, no, which is
एब्सोल्युटली यार,
that,
और उसने मतलब
that तुम्हें उसका character ऐसा
कमाल
था
किया,
that
कमाल.
he got the opportunity to showcase his talent. So
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल,
I will give
एब्सोल्युटली एब्सोल्युटली.
credit both to Divyendu and as well as the writers who developed the character of Munna Tripathi
Agreed,
in Tapu season 2.
agreed.
Uh,
I watched Tesh. I watched Tesh.
Hmm.
It was I found it okay. I found it a fine watch, but again, I mean, it was propelled by performances.
but I heard Jim Sir was really good.
Jim Sub was oh my god, he was fantabulous.
Hmm.
Harshvardhan Rane.
Hmm.
I mean, I read somewhere. In fact, I read a lot of articles.
Hmm.
Sub mein they were praising Harshvardhan Rane.
Hmm.
No doubt he was again a firecracker in Tesh, Harshvardhan Rane.
Hmm.
But Jim Sub was equally fantastic in that
Mhm.
show. So
Yeah.
Tesh, Jim Sub, and Harshvardhan Rane, thumbs up,
Hmm.
both of them. Simple Murder, one of our followers, Mr. Sushant Singh. Yeah, he was
It was really good.
hilarious. I
It
mean,
was hilarious. I mean,
he was hilarious.
again, like
Amit
the
Sial.
comedic timing. Amit Sial, I really started liking Amit Sial's work. You know,
Absolutely. Mirzapur too. Amit
Mirzapur
Sial.
also
Maurya Saab.
he was there in Inside Edge. I don't know if you have
Inside
seen.
Edge. Haan.
Ah.
Inside Edge. Haan. Right. So again, I'm Simple Murder mein Sushant Singh, Amit Sial, and Zishan
Yeah,
Ayub, obviously.
Of course,
Zishan
he
Ayub
was really good.
was also there. Yeah. Andekhi, we have already talked about.
But
Surya Sharma,
I
Divyendu.
really want to mention about this one show, Masaba
Hmm.
Masaba. It was a I liked it a lot. Yeah.
It was fun.
Of course.
It was a fun show.
Fun, it was simple,
It
short,
was fun.
fun.
Yes.
It was like
It was simple, crisp.
crisp, short, and
And
just watch it.
it
between
was a
two
mood
times.
lifter. It was a mood lifter, I guess.
It was really good.
It was a mood lifter. Again, I mean, Masaba
We
Gupta,
also
Neena
have to
Gupta.
thumbs up to Masaba for her amazing acting.
Absolutely, absolutely.
And also Masaba's friend.
Masaba,
Uh,
Raita Shah.
Rathore. Yes.
Raita Shah. Oh my God, she was fabulous.
No, we wish we had a friend like her in our life.
Yeah, that character was beautifully written, actually. Yeah, so yeah, Masaba Masaba Gupta, Neena Gupta,
Yeah.
Sunita Rajwarji, again, one of our followers. So, Raita Shah Rathod, yes, of course. That was also a mood lifting show. That was good. That was good.
But
And,
to kind of conclude things,
Yeah.
what would
Even I want to say Sajib. Last week we watched Pawa Kadagal.
But that's
Pawa Kadagal.
is it a movie or series?
That's a series. That's a series, mini series.
Acha.
What they have done is, I mean, it's almost like a movie. It's almost like a film, but
I thought
Netflix
it's an
has done.
anthology.
It's an anthology, but what Netflix has done is that they had divided it into episodes. So episode 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 episodes again. But in Pawa Kadagal also, Sai Pallavi and Kalidas Jayaram. Too good. And Jafar Sadiq. So these 3 actors. Sorry, I missed out on this. So Sai Pallavi, Kalidas Jayaram, and Jafar Sadiq. Fantastic.
Okay, then let's talk about the top performances of the year. I mean, just one male and one female, according to you.
One.
Yeah, I mean, it's tough because 2020 we have
Very
seen
tough.
a lot of shows. A lot of shows has come up, and even if the show was not good, there were some performances that were
Yes, agreed.
So
Agreed.
It's hard to choose one, but let's try to.
Yeah.
I think for me, one best male performer of the Indian web series, the Sir Circuit. I think for this year it would be Jaideep Ahlawat or Patallo. It's hard between there were other,
I think the choices are obvious, right? The two choices.
Pratik Gandhi and Jaydeep Ahlawat.
वो तो मतलब रोनाल्डो और मेसी टाइप्स हो गए ना इस ईयर के.
But I think I'll have my, more.
I think I would agree with you on this.
Okay.
Yeah.
What do you think about the female performer then? I mean, I really like Rasika Duggal in Mirzapur 2. Brilliant performance.
She was brilliant.
Brilliant.
I mean, the moment when I was watching Mirzapur 2 and the moment she used to appear on the screen, it was like, ये lady तो कुछ करेगी भाई.
हाँ, एकदम मतलब
she had that mystery, na?
हाँ, mystery and as well. She had some sense of power in her character.
Absolutely. Yes. Agreed.
Saying anything that she is managing the house, she is managing the family, and she is doing things that she wants to do.
Yes, she was playing with the other characters in that show. I mean in Mirzapur 2. She was playing like it was like a chessboard, and she was the the lady who was playing all the stuff on the chessboard.
I mean, so I think for me it would be a tie between Rasika Duggal and Shreya Dhanvantari.
Shreya Dhanvantari. Yeah, I was coming to Shreya Dhanvantari. I would go for Rasika again. Shreya was revelation. She was a revelation in Scam 92.
Her work was also good in The Family Man, but then
Family Man, it came out last year. No doubt, she was also good in Family Man, but Scam 92 was
pretty good.
The best. Apart from Shushmita in Arya, there was Namit Das, who did a brilliant job in Arya. There was Vikas Kumar as the cop. He was also fantastic. And my favorite in Arya, my personal favorite was Maya Sarao. I mean, I loved her.
Her character was really nice.
I loved her. My personal favorite in Arya was Maya Sarao. And so if you talk about Bandish Bandits, then Kunal Roy Kapoor, उसका character सोचते ही मतलब
very funny and
very spontaneous. His timing was fantastic. Actually good. He was, and his timing was impeccable. Same goes to Rahul Kumar. Rahul Kumar in Bandish Bandits, that those अरे वो जो Three Idiots वाला जो
got it.
Millimeter.
Yes.
Panchayat, Chandan Roy and Faisal Malik. I mean, unforgettable. Those characters, of course, Neena Gupta and Raghuveer Yadav ji are legends.
Those were, of course, legends. And then we remember the way Prahlad. No, what was that Chandan Roy's character's name? Anyway, I mean Chandan Roy, the way he calls Jitu sir, the way he calls sir.
ऐसे गैया.
Abhishek.
And Jitendra Kumar, he says, मेरा नाम अभिषेक है, अभिषेक नहीं.
It is.
और उसके बाद फिर वो बुलाता है.
I forgot about those.
Sorry.
Really,
ऐसे गैया. He was ultimate. I mean, Chandan Roy and Faisal Malik. And yeah, Sajib, when we were talking about Scam, I mean, even Patal Lok, the entire cast, but in Scam,
Gulpanang and Ansari,
Ishwak Singh. We talked about Ishwak Singh.
Scam deserves a special mention in the.
But yeah, Scam. I mean, again, off late in recent times, if you ask me, is there any show or any film or anything? I mean, where you cannot single out any one actor. I mean, every actor was fabulous.
Cast was amazing.
Whole cast, apart from Shreya and Pratik, of course. Then we had Hemant Kher. Then we had Chirag Vohra, Jay Upadhyay, Gemini Pathak, and the legends themselves. I mean, Rajat Kapoor, Satish Kaushik,
and
Rajesh Jais.
He played the SBI manager, right?
SDM manager, yeah. You had that conversation with with Saurav, yeah. Yeah, that scene. I mean, those scenes were impeccable. Those scenes were. Sajib, your special mentions?
That's what I'm saying. We forgot to talk about
हाँ
some of yours as well. We
हाँ
talked
नहीं
actually.
मेरा तो हो गया
What
मैंने तो
about
बोल
Seema
दिया
auntie, man?
हैं
What about Seema auntie? Seema auntie was great.
अरे यार मतलब मैं ये सोच रहा था कि अगर सीमा आंटी को स्कॉर्सेज़ी मिल जाते ना
Seema auntie. I didn't
सीमा
like Seema. No, but honestly, I like Seema auntie. No joke.
नहीं सीमा आंटी was too sweet.
That.
Yeah, she was too sweet, man. I
No,
mean,
no.
I am Seema from Mumbai.
Let's not lie to each other. Come on, like Seema auntie.
यार
But
क्या
anyway,
एक्टिंग किया
show
था
was
सीमा
good.
आंटी ने
The show was, because we got hooked onto the show, right?
हाँ it was cringe binge
Very cringe-worthy, हाँ.
हाँ cringe binge था हमने देखा है यार वो
Again, but that show, The Lives of Fabulous Wives of what was that show?
oh yeah Fabulous of
The Lives of Fabulous Wives.
the
But Mahit Kapoor, man, she got onto my nerves. Mahit Kapoor is too much. Anyway,
my god that मतलब I again I won't be lying I watched that show and I got a headache, man. And after a long time I didn't even get a headache after watching this one Sima Taparia, but
this
after watching this
Seema Tapari was entertaining, but this was
हाँ मतलब cringe, obviously it was cringe but it was entertaining. Yes it was entertaining. But this Fabulous of the Fabulous Wives of the Bollywood Lives of the क्या था वो अभी तक समझ में नहीं
Lives of
आया.
the Fabulous Wives.
हाँ मतलब that gave me a headache, man.
It's too much. इतना
बहुत ज्यादा था वो बहुत ज्यादा था. इतना cringe नहीं हो सकता यार कोई.
That's one.
फिर
Anyway, jokes apart, guys.
jokes apart, yeah,
really,
jokes apart.
Thank you for watching this video.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Yeah, and we hope that you should also write down your top 5 Indian.
Yeah, please do write down.
In
Please
the
do
comment
write down.
section. Please do write
Your
and-
favorites.
Yeah,
your favorite shows.
why do you like that show and all of that stuff.
Yeah,
It will be very
your
interesting for us as well. We'll read all of it
performances.
and
Your
then-
favorite.
Yeah. So thank you so
Your
much.
favorite
And
performances.
yes, if you like this video, as usual, please don't forget to like and share it with your friends, and also subscribe to our channel. If you are new to our channel,
Please.
please hit the bell
Please do.
icon to get notified every time we upload a new video. Thank you so
Yeah.
much.
And we wish you everyone a
New Year.
very happy, hopeful,
Prosperous New Year. Yeah, we are hopeful that
prosperous
the-
New Year.
this New Year will be better than 2020.
Yeah.
Great. Thank you
Yeah.
so much.
Yeah.
Happy New Year.
Thank you so much, everyone. Bye bye. Good night. Take care. Stay safe.